Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have a heeled horizontal boring mill. Has a Rusnok vertical head on it. This is a 3-phase machine currently wired for 220. The vertical head is 1/4 horse. It can nod. It uses a universal Y collet. And I've got collets that go with it. The mill itself has a 1 horsepower 3-phase motor. Not sure why they put those blocks on there. Table is 6.5 by 30. The X-axis has a power feed that runs off of the same motor as the mill, the horizontal portion of the mill. To change the direction, you have to change the direction of the spindle. The spindle on the horizontal portion is Brown and Sharp number 9. Has a direct drive and a back gear. This should be the high speed. This shield has been cracked and repaired. Different speeds. Thanks for looking.